Hello. Poor mental health is a problem that hits everyone. The numbers vary by country, but in the USA, 1 in 5 people are affected, and in the UK, it's 1 in 4. So you almost certainly know somebody who's suffering, maybe in silence. Chances are it could be someone in your family, or maybe it's you. Everyone knows that eating well and physical activity is good for keeping your body in shape, but you may be less clear on what can be done to do the same for your mind. Over the years, I've found that when life is getting on top of me and my mental state has taken a downward turn, spending a few hours in a workshop can be a great way to dial down the noise, quieten my mind, and enable me to regain some balance. Doing something that forces the mind to be in the moment can be hugely beneficial and a really powerful influence on promoting good mental health. So today, I'm going to give you 3 ways that woodworking will improve your mental health forever. We spend so much time looking at screens, don't we? Email, WhatsApp, and just staring at your phone, doom scrolling through the latest trends can all pull you down another rabbit hole. Woodworking is a great way to switch off from all that. When you're working with wood, you have to concentrate on what you're doing. You're looking at the wood grain, making sure your cuts are accurate, ensuring your joints all go together precisely. It's a real break for your mind. In forcing you to focus on the process of making something, woodwork doesn't allow for outside distractions to trouble your thoughts. You need to give all your attention and energy to the task at hand, leading to a calm, untroubled mind. But there's more to it than distraction. There's just no better antidote for an overstressed mind than working with your hands. Sanding, planing, even just sketching out an idea are all great ways of being present, of tuning out the noise of the everyday world, which helps to relieve stress. The feel of the wood, the smell of a freshly cut piece, and the rhythmic sound of the tools all help to ground you. But the repetitive nature of many woodworking processes can actually be a form of meditation in their own right. If you get into a steady rhythm, the gentle physical activity becomes slightly hypnotic, and you can be carried along with the flow of it, becoming more relaxed while you work. And then you get the final extra benefit from woodworking, which is that by the end of a project, you've actually made something. Something you can hold, look at, and say to yourself, I did that. You will have achieved something real, something tangible, and hopefully something beautiful. This gives you a genuine sense of accomplishment, releases endorphins, and even if it's a small project like this one, that's a great feeling. I hope this will encourage you to give woodworking a try and give yourself a mental boost. If you're already woodworking, please leave a comment to let me and others know how it helps your mental health. If you're just starting out, here's a simple project to get you going. I'll see you soon.